At the top of the show, we took a look at where the markets are and the forces driving them. In this week's Bottom Line, we'll get a glimpse of where they might be going. And Neil, with the recent bearish reports, do you think we'll see prices back to where they were before those reports came out?
Avery, as we heard from David earlier, a couple of reports have come out that have been increasingly bearish. First was the USDA report on June 30th, which had bearish numbers for most grains, although it was slightly positive for soybeans. Since then, we've had Informa coming out with their crop numbers, which were even more bearish, offering higher than expected planted acres and yield projections. Taking a closer look at the Informa report, you can see corn was over even USDA's bearish numbers, coming in at a projected 12 billion bushels, 300 million more than that of the June 30th report. Soybeans, again slightly bullish at 3 billion, 100 million shorter than USDA. Turning to cotton briefly, we see a projected 15 million bales, well over USDA's number, which was the same as Informa's previous report at 14.5 million bales as well, which has caused a price decline in cotton too. Since those reports have come out, the big sell-offs did occur, with prices recovering slightly. In line with the report, soybeans were the first to come back and posted big gains following the bottom drops after the July 4th holiday. So what's the bottom line? Well, in order for prices to remain where they are or continue, we need no hurricanes in the Gulf, no more negative weather in the Midwest, and a harvest completed before the fall frost. This seems very unlikely given the late starts, replanted acres, and the flooding. I think we can see that even in this weather market, the fundamentals will be there to keep prices elevated, especially as we get closer to harvest time. That's the bottom line. I'm Neil Melancon. Back to you in the studio, Avery Davidson.
Well, thank you, Neil Melancon. To stay up to date with the latest commodities prices, listen to Neil's reports on the Louisiana Farm Bureau Radio Network.